Hey everyone, this is Stephen Strong with Cast Iron Connection, where you can find information to help you better collect, restore, and use your cast iron cookware. Today we're going to be making a simple, spicy grilled cheese sandwich on our cast iron griddle. And the video is coming right up. Like I said, today we're going to be making a spicy grilled cheese sandwich. And we're just going to make a simple grilled cheese sandwich. We're not going to use any special cheese, any special bread. Sometimes you just get the hankering for a grilled cheese sandwich and you don't have pepper jack cheese or sharp cheddar or any specialty cheeses. Sometimes all you have is just simple Kraft singles. But we're going to spice it up just a little bit. Today we're going to add one of my favorite ingredients of all times. We're going to be adding crushed red pepper flakes to kind of kick it up a little bit. So we're also going to be cooking on cast iron cookware. So there are a few things that you want to do with cast iron cookware in order to make the best grilled cheese sandwich you can ever eat. So let's get right into our video and get cooking. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our oven on low to medium. And then we're going to go ahead and put some butter on our cast iron skillet. So the reason why we start off with low to medium is we don't want to heat the cast iron up too fast. Remember, we want to slowly bring it up to temperature. That will help us protect the cast iron from warping, and it'll also keep us from burning our grilled cheese. We're going to keep our butter right in the center to begin with, because our plan is to butter our bread before we cook it. We're going to wait for that to start melting before we put our bread on. Remember, we're on low to medium. We're not heating it up fast, we're heating it up slow. We just want it to be hot enough to toast our bread once it gets to temperature. As soon as the butter starts turning clear, we'll know it's time to put our bread on. The hardest thing about a grilled cheese is getting the right amount of butter on the entire piece of bread. This will solve the problem right here. We'll take our first piece of bread. Put a little more butter on. Take our second piece of bread, sop up that butter. We're going to be making 3 sandwiches, so we're going to do this for 3 sandwiches. All along, our cast iron is getting warmer. Okay, now we'll put our cheese on. Crushed red pepper. Spice it up a little. Starting to hear it sizzle just a little. You can see the bubbles. We're getting some heat in there now. Don't be afraid to turn it, because we don't want to burn it. We want to be able to watch it carefully. We'll turn it a few times just to make sure we have the right amount of toast. We're going to turn it quite a few times just to make sure that we have it cooked evenly on both sides. Okay, now we're getting toasty. Probably cut our oven back down just a little bit to down to medium, because we don't want it scorching. You can use any kind of cheese that you like. I just have standard Kraft singles for this. You don't always have nice pepper jack or sharp cheddar, but if you do, you can slice it really thin and put it on there and even grate it as far as that goes. But this right here is quick and easy. That's just about right for me. Just a little more butter back in the center. And cut it back down just a little more. Put on our second piece. Don't forget our red pepper flakes. You may not want that much on yours, but I like them spicy. Remember, we're going to keep flipping it so we don't burn it. There we have it. 3 perfectly toasted grilled cheese sandwiches. Hey everybody, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. And if you have and would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I will keep them coming. Thanks.